Hello, gentlemen investors and traders. The information and analytical service is in System.GURU.Markets. Let's start with the company's summary data. A little further, we will study each parameter in more detail. If you're interested, you can pause it. We suggest looking at each parameter of the organization being studied meticulously. We will compare the current performance indicators of the organization with you. HARROW Inc., ticker HROW. This review is based on current data as of July 2nd, 2025. By classification, Guru.Markets company HARROW Inc. belongs to the subcategory Pharma Eyes. 22 companies are taking part in the comparison. We will look at the decisions made at the end of this video. The overall result for the company in question is as follows: -8 out of 10 points. The average score for the subcategory is 2.6 points. If you look very broadly, within the entire stock market as a whole, we can see that the average score for the entire stock market as a whole is 1.8. Against a minus rating, 8 points for HARROW Incorporated. Comparing the dynamics of the company's share price HARROW Incorporated and subcategory companies, we can see that over the last 12 months, the stock HARROW Incorporated showed a dynamics of 46.6%. Against price changes for the subcategory 0.3%. Market capitalization of a corporation HARROW Incorporated valued at $1.13 billion. The subcategory's market capitalization is $66 billion. The company's book value is estimated at $0.05 billion. The subcategory's book capitalization is $31 billion. Comparing the shares of market and book value, we see the following. Share HARROW Incorporated in the subcategory in case of market capitalization assessment is 1.715%. The book value is 0.172%. Evaluation of the company's market share and book value in the subcategory, bad, -1 point. The company's debt obligations amount to $0.217 billion. Financial liabilities to book value amount to 407% of the company's equity. The result for the level of the company's debt obligations, very bad, -2 points. The company's market value to earnings ratio is 0, with an average in the subcategory of 0. Evaluation of the company's stock market value to its profit in comparison with companies in the subcategory, very bad, -2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was -$22 million. Forward earnings for the next 12 months are expected to be $53 million. Assessment of the indicator of projected future profit in comparison with companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's value to revenue ratio is 5.3. Average in subcategory 4. Evaluation of stock market value to revenue ratios in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, TALET, -0.5 points. Revenue for the last 12 months was $210 million. Forward revenue for the next 12 months is unknown. Evaluation of the expected future revenue indicators in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, bad, -1 point. The sales margin is -10.2%, with an average for the subcategory of -6.1%. Sales profitability assessment in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, passable, -0.5 points. The company's share by number of personnel in the subcategory is 0.903%, which is 90% less than the market capitalization share. The amount of capital per employee of the organization is equal to $2,956,000. while in the subcategory there are $1,557,000. Assessment of the volume of capital per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The profit volume per employee of the company is minus negative $56,800, with an average in the subcategory of minus negative $23,600. Evaluation of profit per employee in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, talent, minus 0.5 points. The share of revenue per individual employee of the organization is $557,000. In the subcategory, $385,000. Evaluation of the company's revenue per employee in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, passable, minus 0.5 points. Short shares account for 13.2%, compared to the subcategory average of 3.8%. Indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 56% for the company HARROW Incorporated, whereas in the subcategory this level is 57%. The company's current share price is around $30.76. The consensus price estimate for the company's shares is approximately $56.88. Let's look at the table of orders that is available to you. Link in the pinned comment. The order table contains all decisions made this season by the evaluation information and reference System.GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is absolutely free and open. Link in the pinned comment. Based on the results of the stock valuation HARROW Inc. Help System.GURU.Markets, a decision has been made. Open sell order at $30.77. The deal was opened due to the fact that the company has a rather low rating. The organization was assessed using the assessment model, the Akeem's Index. Take profit is set at 16.35. Stop loss is set at 45.19. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss. In this case, the transaction is fixed independently based on the results of exchange trading on August 1, 2025, or on the last working day before the specified date. Ticker, ALC, is the main buy order. The video on the main order has already been published on the channel. When one of the orders is closed, the base or the balancing one, another order is fixed at the final price. Thank you all for watching this video and for using the information system from Guru Markets.